Hello, I'm Jordan, and I'm so excited to show you my project. This is Castor, the brain for the modern browser. Castor gathers data scattered across multiple browser tabs and organizes it into your personal knowledge base. But it's so much more than just this data storage layer. So after this competition, I want to go on a holiday, and Castor's going to help me with that. I want something very specific. I want it to help me find hotels with good restaurants that are within walking distance of a bus stop that's also part of the Stellenbosch wine tour route. And what you can see here is it's created a tab group, an underrated Chrome feature, and created insights. So what we're going to do is ingest the data for the Stellenbosch wine tour route. These are all the bus stops that are part of this route. All right. Now we can ask a simple recall question. Which bus stops are part of Route 303? All right, now we can start with the hotel data. What we want to ingest is this. So, Castor is built on top of Google Mangle, the deductive database programming language, which I've compiled to WebAssembly, so it can run in Chrome with Gemini Nano. This empowers Nano to make complex, multi-step deductions about cross-site data in real time on the user's device. Now, let's ask another question, but let's type this one. Which hotels are close to wine tour bus stops? There we go, we've got two options, fantastic. Now let's move on to the food blogging review website. Okay, and as you can see, this is not just a memory layer. This is not just fuzzy search even with a vector database. This is factually accurate, logical reasoning. So now we have everything we need to ask our most complex question. Here's a hotel that meets the criteria, the Longer Loft. Let's double check it. What we can see here is that it's 0.2 kilometers from a specific station. We can see it's on the Stellenbosch wine route. And if we go look for the Longer Loft here, we can see it's got the Fermented Frog restaurant, which is also correct. So you can see that this partnership between Gemini Nano and Google Mangle is just great. And this is actually inspired by the partnership between the Castor and Pollux brothers from the original Gemini myth. One was mortal, one immortal, whose collaboration eventually led to them being immortalized in the Gemini constellation forever.